most important part of Lanzarote is this area. So this is the whole 1/4 of the island that is covered by new lava of the last eruption between 1730 and 1736. So it was 6 years of non-stop eruptions. And the result is that 1/4 of this very old island is covered with new lava. So this whole area is covered with lava. So, and these are all the new volcanoes that appeared. So in total there's 25 new volcanoes that appeared as a result of this new eruption. Okay, so right now we are here in an old volcano. So it's only the orange volcanoes that are new, but the pink ones are very old already. Okay, so and they are not covered with lava. Okay, so they are surrounded with lava. Okay, so for example here we can see that on this old volcano there's much more plants than we can find on the lava, for example. So this is a little bit how we can recognize them. And also they don't have sharp edges. They are very soft because they are completely eroded already. Okay, so and all the people lived in this area. So there was 11 villages here that were completely destroyed because of the eruptions. But afterwards, people came back to plant fig trees on these old volcanoes. Okay, so these are called fertile islands. Okay, so you can't really see it very well, but in front we can see another fertile island, and at the base we can see some fig trees. Okay. Okay. Do you have any questions?
When do we eat?
No, don't ask how long it will rain.
When do we eat? When do we eat lunch?
I'm sorry?
In town.
Yes, it will rain as long as it will rain. Ah, vale.